Hey friends, today I have pulled out 4 cards for our general tarot reading. So the first card that I have pulled out is from the Rider-Waite deck, and it says 7 of Wands. Friends, today is going to be a challenging day. Today is going to be a day of hard work and determination. You may feel that there are people who are against you and people are attacking you, but if you just sit and think, it is not always like that. There is a solution to every situation that you are stuck in. You need to plan your day carefully. You need to plan a strategy carefully to get out of that situation. So friends, do not feel that you are being attacked. Do not feel that you are always being targeted. There is a way, there is a solution. Please sit quiet and find it out without fighting and without being in always telling yourself that okay, I am the one who is targeted. So it's not like that. The other card that I have pulled out is for our health, friends. Now it has come out as Queen of Wands. Now, Queen of Wands says that we are energetic today. We are going to be very vibrant, and it's going to be a very good card where health is concerned. In case you are feeling very lethargic or you are feeling very stuck in your, physical self or in your physical body, you are not liking the way it is moving. You need to plan a strategy and move forward, and maybe change the way you are doing your exercises or diet. Some kind of change in your physical self, so you will be able to get that energy and that confidence back in you. So our physical body, this is for our health card. Physically we are very energetic today, we are very fit today, but you need to, in case you are not feeling okay, please check on your diet and your exercise and see where you can make a difference today in your workout. The next card that I have pulled out is for abundance. And the card that has come out is 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles says that we have the money, we are in abundance with everything. The only thing we are doing is being very over possessive with our finances, with our financial issues. It also says that maybe we are not, we are hoarding everything to ourselves and not giving. So friends, if we share, we give our whatever little we have, and if we share it with everyone, we will only receive in more abundance. We will only receive in many folds. So instead of hoarding your money or your finances, share it. Do not keep your ideas and your financial ideas, and it is all right to keep some for the family, but a balance of everything is important. So do not just keep hoarding your money, do not just keep your ideas and finances to yourself. If you can share it, please do go ahead and share your finances and your ideas, in case you are thinking of investing some financial matters, or if you are thinking of investing somewhere with your finances. So please do not hoard your finances and your ideas only to yourself. See if you are doing it. If you can change a little, it will make a lot of difference. The other card that I have pulled out, friends, is for our job and our careers. Career, job, business. So friends, today maybe we are in a situation where we are juggling our some kind of things in our work, in our business. We are just juggling maybe with the ideas and situations around us, and we are trying to get a balance, but it's not so. There is there is a turning point at which we are not seeing. So friends, if we can just stop juggling and get balance in our lives, we will understand our jobs, our business is stable. We do not need to juggle any situations in our career or in our business. So friends, in case you are doing it, please get a balance over yourself and understand where you are going wrong. These are our 4 cards for today. 7 of Wands, Queen of Wands for health, energetic, vibrant, see if you can make any changes in your exercises or in your physical diet or something like that. Finance, 6 of Pentacles. I'm sorry, friends, 4 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles, which is for our career and our business. Now, apart from all this, I have also pulled out a card which is going to give us a guidance for today, and that is our Angel Tarot deck. As always, I have pulled out a card which says workshops and seminars. Now, I will read what it says, friends. It says, attending and giving speeches is part of your spiritual path and purpose. Be open to teaching and learning. So teaching and learning, friends, does not only mean knowledge or book, it also means the life's journey. Maybe there's so many learnings that you need to learn today. There are so many things that you need to teach today to people. So it's not all about books. It's not all about classes or coaching or whatever. That is one part of it. The other part of it, in case the entire day there are things where you can learn something from others. Just by looking at them, you can learn, and you can teach a lot of things to people just by doing something nice, just by being nice to somebody. So friends, stay with these cards today. This is Archangel Michael. In case you are stuck, always call upon Archangel Michael. He will always be available to help you, and he's always there to guide you. Take care of yourself. This is Irmala Kane Sutarwala signing off. Love you all.